PDP supporters, but to the entire Oyo State, is that Seyi Makinde has done well for the state in very, very difficult financial position, because the APC government has wrecked our economy, wrecked our currency, created insecurity that has hampered business. So with the little resource he has been able to pay salaries, pay pensioners, and do infrastructure. So I urge Nigerians and Oyo State people to vote Seyi Makinde and to vote Atiku Abubakar as the president. Those who like Seyi Makinde should vote Atiku Abubakar, so that with the federal government and the state government resources combined, Oyo State can truly live up to its name as the pace-setter state.
Yes, ma'am. The integrity group will be here this morning. What are your expectations?
My expectation is that they have come to support their brother, their friend, Engineer Seyi Makinde. But of course, the state belongs to PDP, and it belongs to Oyo State people. And nobody from outside the state is expected to interfere in our internal unity or to cause any disaffection. They are experienced people, and I'm sure they will respect the position of their host, Engineer Seyi Makinde, who has consistently told all of us to vote PDP top to bottom.
Thank you. Your name once more.
My name is Akinjide.